Neither Bingo Cash nor Solitaire Cash pays more by default. Your winnings depend on the tournaments you enter, the number of competitors, your finishing position, and the entry fees you choose. By the end of this video, you'll know how both apps pay players, where they differ, and which one makes more sense for your playing style. The biggest difference is the game itself. Bingo Cash combines bingo with a matching puzzle, so success depends on recognizing numbers quickly while clearing the matching board efficiently. Solitaire Cash is based on classic solitaire, where speed, accuracy, and smart card decisions determine your score. If you're naturally stronger at one game than the other, you'll usually perform better there regardless of the prize pool. Both apps use paid tournaments. You enter eligible contests by paying an entry fee, compete against other players, and receive a prize only if you finish high enough on the leaderboard. That means neither app guarantees earnings. Every cash tournament carries the possibility of winning or losing your entry fee. Prize amounts also vary from tournament to tournament. Higher entry fees often come with larger prize pools, but they also increase your financial risk. Moving into expensive contests before you've consistently placed well in lower entry games usually isn't a smart strategy. If your goal is steady results, spend time practicing before entering cash games. Bingo Cash offers practice opportunities to improve your speed and board recognition. Solitaire Cash also rewards players who can make fast, accurate decisions without rushing into mistakes. The stronger your skills become, the better your chances of finishing near the top in either app. You should also compare withdrawal options, account verification requirements, and payment processing before deciding where to spend your money. Even if two tournaments offer similar prizes, a smooth withdrawal process and reliable account experience can make one app a better fit for you. Another factor is personal preference. Some players enjoy the faster pace of Bingo Cash, while others perform better in the more methodical gameplay of Solitaire Cash. Since both games reward different skills, your own performance matters much more than trying to find a universally higher-paying app. Here's the bottom line. Neither Bingo Cash nor Solitaire Cash consistently pays more than the other. Your results depend on your skill, the tournaments you enter, and how well you manage your bankroll. Try the free or practice modes first, identify which game matches your strengths, and only move into cash tournaments when you're consistently performing well. If this comparison helped you decide, like the video and subscribe for more app comparisons and gaming guides.